Everybody, it's www.brandonwiper.com. We're starting our New Year's Eve event. And when I say we're starting, because my father started talking. We're not going to go into depth about what is being discussed, but we'll be taking footages throughout the evening on how things started going. My father already started with his beer. He got to sample some of the fish. Thank you, Axel. I want to thank you for the fish that you gave so my father could have some and everybody else is going to be here. It's going to be left, it get left by the time they come. We started early. And then this one here is the Yukon salmon from Shirley. Thank you, babe. I love you. And then this one again here is from Axel Moses. He worked with me at BYF. And then this one here is my banana. That's me. I'm eating healthy yet. My last good meal. And then over here, Kai over there starting over here. You show some fish in there pretty soon. Voila, just watching the whole thing. So yeah, so we're starting right now. So once again, stay tuned for more crazy footages. Did we come out of it? Without our instant. What is that? How about you take a full? Yeah. Oh yeah, that's time. A big box over there. So is any message to Kaiva? Wish she should have been here.
Gotta understand me, Chamo. Total salmon away.
No comment, bro. I'm not gonna argue with that, going. You should have been here. You should have punched your boss in the face, take the 2-week leave, and come here. Oh, this is only the poo-poos, don't worry. More to come. Oh, fucking dinosaurs. Oh, you bring all these pieces off. Huh? Oh, not bad. Kind of expected it bigger.
What do you do? Fresh freezer?
Yeah.
On the processing deck, you get on the boat.
On the boat. Yep. Woo. Oh, Dad, it's like old times, huh? It's like old times, yeah? Dutch Harbor.
A little bit, Dave. I wanted the meat. Yeah, roller. That was roller. All you do is choice like that.
Yeah, that thing squeezes right out.
Come out.
Come right out, yep. Oh, again. Kaiva, I wish he was here. She's freezing right now, lighting fireworks. 33 below zero, lighting fireworks. That's Portuguese right there. Let it go, let it go. Let it go already. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go, Dad.
This is going to be the Miami sound machine now.
Let it go already. What did I do to deserve this? I already paid you already.
It's all about China.
Oh man, now we started off on this now. We're going from football to country. Hey, the fireworks made from where? Oh, Japan. What? You must have just said Mexico. Oh man. No comment. And this one here gonna be the shrimp. Get crab legs, get shrimp, steaks, we got chicken, We get buckle and watercress. But we get vegetables too, don't worry. We get people who are cautious about their diet. Who are going to make bacon wrapped vegetables. Bacon wrapped vegetables.
We went in the back of the pet cemetery. And all the dogs down there. And some dogs that passed away already.
That's true. Yeah. Lapchong passed away. Who else? Only this year was Lapchong, right?
Yeah. Lapchong, Lady, Ehu.
Yeah.
What is his name? Champ. All down there. Ola.
Yeah, Ola. I remember Ola. That was Loki's dog.
Yeah.
Yeah. And on to the next dish. Iron Chef Wiper will come and proudly present to show us how to cook shrimp.
This cooking is from China.
Oh, from China. Hey, where is this made from?
China.
China. So, in other words, China gets some credit, right?
Yeah, but this is the junk one. Junk side of China. This walk only gonna last one day.
Oh,
tomorrow broke.
Father, right now, you just busting right now in China right now.
Walk tomorrow.
He's busting on China right now, politics right now. The first time I ever heard my father talk politics. The last time we were talking about politics was about Manny Pacquiao and Mayweather. The blood drive, the blood thing. Now he's talking about China.
I love Chinese, man.
I know you do. I know. What mom's maiden name? What mom's maiden name? Honey? Chinese?
Chinese.
Oh wait, you're going with the auto or the alo? Yeah, you yeah.
Not A-H-A.
You can go A-H-L-O and then A-H-N-E-E, yeah? Oh, he's like Chinese. Who invented this one right here, the steamer? That's Chinese.
Yeah. Look like Chinese, but actually come from Japan.
No.
Look like you're Chinaman ass, but that's really it's not.
No, it is. Oh no, that's right. It's called Poi Pounder. Right? Poi Pounder. Oh my God. Stay tuned, bro. It keeps going. It keeps getting better.
Bottle garlic, Italian sauce.
Not Chinese sauce.
No, not Italian. Well, Chinese know how to cook shrimp.
Oh, here we go again. What, you like the black bean shrimp, huh?
They all look like Chinese food.
Tastes good. The Keaukaha. What about the Keaukaha? It's your favorite?
There's only one roast left in the bowl.
You like their Chinese roast duck?
Have you come down well lately? Hey, closed up.
Oh no, I'm not go yet.
Oh, God. It's cold. They come to fight.
What is that?
6 roll up doors again. 2 electrical and 2 handfuls. 4 handfuls.
The duck was his handful.
That one's for the duck. For the cutting, 1 handful. The other 2. Oh, man. And then we get 1, 2, 3. I think. How many is it? 1.
Ooh, have you hot dogs for dinner?
No, Papa said.
Huh?
Papa said that you gotta be 18 to light fireworks. The law.
Dad.
The law.
Dad. I am 8 years. I was 1, and now I'm 8. I'm 18.
Whatever.
Nothing. I just wipe on you.
Like just on one side. Oh.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
And what we have here is,
One side or 2 sides?
for those of you guys who are cautious about their diet, this is the safest thing to eat right here. Vegetables wrapped in bacon. What you eating, baby?
like I'm eating
No, I said what you eating.
strips,
What kind of strips?
salmon,
Salmon strips.
from Mom's village,
Yep. And what village is that?
Imana.
And then brother Keaukaha at work. Over here, we got him over here wrapping some people who cautious about their diet. Vegetable wrapped in bacon.
No, after.
Oh, I'm sorry, man.
So, hi, I just leave them like that. I don't have to adjust it.
You can turn them down if you like, just turn them to the bottom.
Which one do I use?
Just those four knobs, you can turn them.
Anyone.
Turn them